How to reset your Grubhub password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Grubhub app on your device. Here, click on account at the bottom right. Then click on sign in. Then add your email and press on continue at the bottom. Then you'll find this kind of screen. Here at the bottom, you'll find forgot password icon. If you have an account, simply click on it and mail will be sent. You need to go to your Gmail app. And here you will find Grubhub's link. Simply click on it and it will ask you to reset your password. Reset your password as you want. And after that, you can open your Grubhub app and you will directly be logged in, or you will need to add your new password and log in. And this is how to reset your Grubhub password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.